Apple makes some of the best computing hardware on the planet, but it can be tough to figure out certain mechanics. If you're looking to add some extra storage to your Mac, it's actually super simple to plug in external storage. However, if your drive isn't showing up, you'll need to troubleshoot your computer. Here's what you can try. First, check if your disk shows up on Disk Utility. To get to it, open a Finder window, then select Applications from the menu on the left. From here, select Utilities, then on Disk Utility. Once it opens, try looking for your hard drive. If you can't find it, click on it, then try clicking on Mount at the top of the screen. If it fails to mount, click on First Aid. A pop-up will appear informing that the disk will be checked and repaired if necessary. Just click on Run to proceed. The system will then attempt to repair the disk. Once it's through, click on Mount again. With enough luck, the drive will mount and you'll be able to use it. If you don't see your disk on Disk Utility or First Aid doesn't work, you'll have to troubleshoot some more. Let's start with the easiest solutions. It's best to check if there are any issues with your computer's USB ports or the cable connecting the drive to your computer. Try connecting your drive using another port on your computer, or use another cable if you have one on hand. If you've got other computers, try connecting your drive to that Mac as well to narrow down if the issue is with the drive itself or with how your laptop reads the drive. If the drive shows up fine on a Windows machine, for example, but it has issues on a Mac, you might want to check the drive's formatting. If you can find your drive under Disk Utility, select it, then check the line underneath your disk's name. Next to USB External Physical Volume, you'll find your drive's file system format. If it reads Windows NT File System or NTFS, your drive is incompatible with macOS and will need to be reformatted. To use it with both Windows and Mac computers, you'll need to reformat it using the exFAT file system. If it shows up on another Mac but not yours, you can try setting your computer's NVRAM or PRAM. To start, shut down your Mac, then turn it on and immediately hold down the Command, Option, P, and R keys. If your computer has the Apple T2 security chip, you can let go of these keys after the Apple logo appears and disappears the second time. If your Mac makes a startup sound, feel free to release these keys after the second startup sound. If that doesn't work and your laptop has an Intel processor, you can also try resetting your SMC. Just click on the link in the description below and follow the steps for your device. If your drive fails to show up on any other computer, or if none of these methods work, you might have a dead drive. If there are any chances of recovering your data, you'll need to resort to professional data recovery services. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering macOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.